Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into the world of those passive income apps. Specifically, we're looking at the mobile app, the Earn with Your Phone one. We've got a great review transcript to work from, shared by one of you. And the promise, it's fantastic, right? Get paid for stuff you already do, listening to music, charging your phone, playing a game here and there. So our mission is pretty clear. Is this a real way to make some extra money? Or is the hype, way bigger than the reality? Okay, let's unpack this.
Well, based on the initial data we see, the app is certainly legitimate. We're not talking about something that doesn't exist. You look at the Google Play Store, millions of downloads. You look at Trustpilot, and the general feeling is that, yes, the app works. Users do get rewards.
So people are actually getting paid something.
Yes, they report getting gift cards, small cash payouts.
Yeah.
It absolutely delivers a reward.
Right, okay, that sets a baseline. But this is where it gets really interesting. The moment we look at the other side, the more critical feedback, especially from places like Reddit, the whole picture starts to change.
It's fascinating because the tone shifts almost immediately from, excitement to real frustration. The biggest complaint isn't that it's fraud. It's about scale. The earnings are just. They're consistently described as microscopic, a slow drip.
So it's not really passive.
Not at all. To earn anything that feels worthwhile, you have to spend a ton of dedicated time inside the app doing tasks, which, defeats the whole purpose.
And then there's this detail that seems to catch people completely off guard. You download the app to earn money, but then find out some of the best features for boosting that income.
Well,
They actually require a paid subscription.
wait a minute. So if you're spending, say, $5 a month to earn more, does the math even work out? Is it worth it?
It rarely seems to be, at least according to the reviews. The moment you have to pay to get a decent return, the whole idea just collapses for a lot of users. But there's an even more concerning pattern we flagged, and this one has to do with the cash out process itself.
Okay, so what's happening there? We're seeing recurring reports, and enough of them to be a red flag where accounts get suspended or flagged for violating the terms of service. And it almost always happens right when the user tries to withdraw a larger amount of money they've saved up.
Wow. That's incredibly frustrating. Imagine spending weeks, maybe months, putting in the time just to have it all taken away right at the finish line. It would make the whole thing feel worthless.
Precisely. And when we pull it all together, the positive Trustpilot stuff and the critical Reddit threads, the conclusion is pretty consistent. Mobiles is not a scam. But the hype is just. It's way out of proportion to the reality. It highlights the huge difference between delivering a reward and delivering actual value.
Right.
The app is real, but the earnings are so minimal. It really just confirms the advice everyone gives. Treat it as a tiny, almost negligible side bonus.
So what does this all mean for you as you're looking at other apps like this one? If the time you have to put in is high, if you have to pay a subscription just to speed up tiny earnings, and key, and if there's a risk your account gets flagged when you finally try to cash out, it raises a big question. Is the time and the mental energy you're spending actually worth what you get back? Or is that time better invested somewhere else? Something to think about the next time you see one of these earn while you live opportunities.